The Tesla app fart button isn't a literal button in the Tesla mobile app. Instead, it's a hidden software Easter egg known as the Emissions Toybox. This feature plays humorous fart sounds when you accelerate your Tesla vehicle. The Emissions Toybox is accessed through the car's touchscreen interface and is tied to your driver profile. Each Tesla vehicle can have multiple profiles, and the feature needs to be enabled for each one individually. If the Emissions Toybox isn't working, it's usually due to profile synchronization issues, recent software updates that may have reset settings, or simple user error in enabling the feature. This feature is available on most Tesla models, including the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Model X. However, it's not available in all regions due to software localization differences. Additionally, the Emissions Toybox is absent in Cybertruck models as of 2025. The feature relies on specific software components that aren't included in the Cybertruck's current firmware. Finally, to activate the Toybox, you repeatedly tap the Tesla T logo on the touchscreen until a hidden menu appears. Then select Emissions Toybox and enable it for your profile. The Emissions Toybox is linked to Tesla's driver profile system, which stores personalized settings for each driver. The mobile app syncs these profiles, ensuring your settings are backed up. If the Toybox is enabled for one profile but not synced correctly, switching profiles can disable it. The Tesla mobile app ensures profiles are cloud-backed, preventing loss during updates. A mismatch between your app and vehicle software versions can also cause sync issues. Begin by ensuring both your Tesla app and car software are updated to the latest versions. Next, reboot your car by holding both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen turns black. Then access your driver profiles through the car's touchscreen under the Driver Profile menu. Enable the Emissions Toybox under the Toybox settings in your profile. If issues persist, force quit the Tesla app and resync through Vehicle Profiles. If the Tesla app isn't syncing correctly, ensure you're using the latest version. Try logging out and back into the app. Navigate to Vehicle, Profiles in the app, and manually resync your profile. If you're still having issues, delete the app cache or reinstall the app completely. This often resolves conflicts, preventing the Toybox settings from transferring to your car. For advanced users seeking more control over Tesla's hidden features, enabling developer options provides additional access. This menu unlocks deeper system settings that can help troubleshoot and re-enable the Emissions Toybox. Access developer options through the car's settings menu. Navigate to the touchscreen interface and select Settings, then scroll to Software. If unlocked, you'll find developer options here. Once in developer options, the Toybox settings may appear as an experimental feature. Enable it here to restore the fart sounds during acceleration. This method bypasses standard profile issues. For more technical troubleshooting, some users employ the unofficial Tesla API through third-party applications. This allows debugging of profile data and sync issues. Using the Tesla API can reveal why profiles aren't syncing, but it requires programming knowledge and poses security risks, as it involves accessing vehicle data through unofficial channels. Always back up data before attempting. After applying these advanced fixes, verify the Toybox is working by accessing the feature through the car's app menu, ensuring all changes take effect. Real-world examples show that many Tesla owners have successfully fixed the Emissions Toybox issue using the troubleshooting steps we've discussed. For instance, a Model Y owner encountered the issue after a software update. The problem was resolved by manually syncing driver profiles through the Tesla app and performing a full vehicle reboot. This quick fix took less than 5 minutes. YouTube tutorials provide visual guides for enabling the Emissions Toybox. Channels like Tesla Tech Tips demonstrate accessing the feature through the touchscreen and troubleshooting app synchronization problems, especially when app versions don't match the vehicle's software. On Tesla Motors Club forums, users share solutions for complex profile issues. One case involved a driver with multiple profiles who fixed ongoing sync problems by deleting and recreating their profile in the app, which successfully restored Toybox functionality. Remember that successful fixes are often model and software version specific. What works for one Tesla owner might need adaptation for another. Always consult the latest community resources for guidance tailored to your vehicle's configuration. Tesla's hidden features like the Emissions Toybox are becoming increasingly popular among owners. Future Tesla updates might include more app-based toggles to prevent profile resets and make features more reliable. There's potential for expanding the Toybox with user-generated sounds, allowing more customization. However, privacy concerns about data sharing might limit this expansion. Keep an eye on official Tesla forums and app updates for the latest information as the software evolves.